Rockport is a village on the St. Lawrence River with historic homes, restaurants, resorts, boat launch and marinas. It has been a port since the late 1700s and is now a major terminus for 1000 Islands cruise tours. There are bicycle racks, benches, and well-marked walking paths with interpretive signs and murals for points of historical interest. Two churches that were founded in the late 1800s remain active. Both reflect the architecture of their time and are often open to visitors during the summer. For decades boats were built in Rockport, from small wooden St. Lawrence skiffs to large tour boats used on the St. Lawrence River, in Canada's capital city Ottawa on the Rideau and Ottawa rivers, and as far away as Banff National Park in Alberta. Before the building of the Thousand Islands Bridge nearby, ferry boats connected the US and Canada. The area is still or once again famous for boat building, as the industry is producing ice boats that make winter travel to local island homes possible. The Thousand Islands are a group of more than 1,800 islands in the St. Lawrence River, straddling the border of the US and Canada. A fashionable retreat for the elite in the late 19th century, today the area is a hub for outdoor activities. It's home to elaborate island mansions such as the German-style Bold Castle on Hart Island, and Singer Castle on Dark Island, with its Gothic windows and secret passageways. 1000 Islands is a boater's paradise, fisherman's playground, hiker's haven, and a cyclist's waterfront adventure, and it's easy to see why it's regarded as one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Boatline provides the most comprehensive tour of the 1000 islands on the St. Lawrence River. There is a must-see cottages, natural landmarks, elaborate castles. Don't miss out on discovering the Canadian signature experience Lost Ships of the 1000 Islands cruise, which adds to the intrigue of the region by diving deep into the past and exploring several shipwrecks dotting the underwater landscape.